Right, let me save this file. It's going to be char, boolean, and real. And then this one is a .pas file. Right, quickly. Yes, notepad. Let's create a unity. This is variables 3. Do that. Doesn't matter, it's the same. For this one, we are going to use sysutils Windows dialogues units. This is the var section. This is the implementation section. Come again? It's just the name of a unit. You remember what I said about units? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let us go to this var, the global var. Okay, let's declare a char. Initial boolean. Sorry, change it to B gender, B male. Sorry for that. B male. Is this person a male? You can say no. Yes. You can say true, false. It can only take that. And then let's have something for char, which is a C initial. This one is going to take a single character. Cars take single characters. And then let's go to money, ara, amount. Remember, when you are storing amounts, you have got cents, which are decimal fractions. You store that.
So why did you put the colon next to amount?
You need to space it out. Okay. Now let us go on top of var. Let's create a procedure. Display. It's a name. And then this procedure display, copy it and paste it under implementation here. Let's have begin end. You must see the end of a procedure has got a statement terminator. We have declared 3 variables globally. Now we are going to assign some values. You will see the values we assign to these variables. They are of different data types. Let's begin with B male. You assign it any of the 2. You can say false. It means the person is a female. It's not a male. Or you can assign B male true. True. You cannot assign a number to a data type you declared as Boolean. That would be wrong. You understand why? Because Boolean only takes 2 values, true or false. Always. Yes, that's why we say B. The B is to show us that this data type is a Boolean. Yes. A Boolean is a variable which takes a value true or false. Yes, we use it for flagging to say now we have done something true. We haven't done it false. You will see it when you
So
go.
now when we begin, are we setting email to false?
Yes, for now we set it to false. Then here we changed it to true.
Why?
I was showing you it can take only 2 values, not more than 2.
Why if you add another one?
Which other value? It only takes true or false. Now let us set C initial. This one takes any single character. The C is a small one because it's a car. Right? Any character. It could be K, it could be a digit, it could be a space. It's a single character. That's why we declare it as car. Some say char. Okay? We mean the same thing, but it takes only one character. You cannot, it cannot be like this. Now there are 3 characters there. It's wrong. It can be a space like this, correct?
Yeah.
It can be an equal sign or special symbols that we use like this. It's a single car. Okay. I think for now, let me leave it with G.
Is that what we see before initial them?
A, it's a single car. Now, let's go to money, amount. I think this one is not a problem. It takes any number with a decimal fraction. But you don't put string, just for example like that. You don't put string, singly quotes for it.
Can it take it about decimals?
Yes, a real can take any number which is positive. Okay. It does take negative, positive numbers. The only advantage of a real is it can take decimal fractions. They could be negative, they could be positive. Are we together? Excellent. Now, to display now, let us start with the boolean. To display boolean with show message. Right. You cannot call boolean straight away and say be mail, because show message displays strings. Be mail is not a string, it's a boolean, so we must convert it back to string using a converter which is called bool to str. So this bool to str is a function. It will take this boolean value and convert it to a string. Then show message is going to display. Do you know what show message is going to show?
No.
Is it going to show true or false? Those of you who say it's going to show false, put up your hands. No hand. Those who say it's going to show true? Hands. Those who say I don't know. More hands. Okay. What is going to happen here is this variable be mail first was assigned false. Then lastly it was assigned true. So the false was replaced with a true. So it's going to assign this. Okay, last sentence, then you go home. Show message. We want to display money now. To display money, which is real, using a string, we cannot do this. You are going to get an error, compiler error, which says incompatible data types. This is a fraction, decimal fraction. You are trying to display it with a tool that displays strings. So you need to do what here? To change from a decimal fraction to a string. So you use this one, float to str. Okay. What? str is a shortcut for string. Okay, can you save what we did? Let me summarize what we did so that you see. Yeah, any question? Before I close, you can be finishing typing, but let me summarize. Okay, here I have demonstrated to you how to create 3 different data types: boolean, char, and read how to assign values to them and how to display them. Remember, when you are displaying them with show message or message DLG, you must convert them. You convert this one using bool to str. You convert this one using float to str. Is that fine? Happy? All right.